In this video, I'm going to be making it specifically for M105 at IUK. We're going to start with concepts that are in section 7-4. One of the first concepts is adding and subtracting like radicals. Okay, so we're going to do two examples of this because this is a pretty simple concept here. Alright, as long as I have like radicals, as in it's the same root and it's the same thing underneath, then these are considered like radicals, and I can add or subtract them like normal. Okay, so all I'm going to basically do is look at those coefficients in front. I'm adding here, so I got a 7 plus a 2. That's going to be 9, so I'm going to have a 9 radical 3. Alright, I'm able to do that because square root of 3 and square root of 3 are like radicals. Alright, now over here in this example, I've got 3 different terms that I'm adding. Alright, I'm going to go through and look. These are the 6th root of a 5x. Alright, but this one is the 3rd root of a 5x. Okay, so that means these two are like radicals. This is not, because the root is different. This is a 3rd root, this is a 6th root. So on this one, I can only put together those two because those are my like radicals. Alright, now I'm going to do whatever it says, subtraction with the coefficients in front. So 8 take away 3 is going to give me a 5. So that'll be a 5 6th root of that 5x. Alright, and then this is not a like term. It's just kind of like adding and subtracting like terms. This is not a like term, so the best I can do is bring it down and show that it's being added. I can go no farther with this because these are not like radicals. Alright, so pretty simple concept. If you think of this as you do your like terms, when you add or subtract like terms, same thing, you're adding or subtracting like radicals. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.